Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. As in my previous video, I was telling you that RNDR is about to break a very strong and key resistance after breaking out a big down channel. And right now you can see after breaking out this big down channel, it is now breaking out that resistance of 85 cents. And on the smaller time frame chart, I showed you how the price end formed this rising wedge pattern, and now it has reached a resistance of that rising wedge pattern after this rally. And in today's video, we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of RNDR token that I shared with my members few days back on 14th of January. That was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. The price end was completing the final leg of the Gartley move. Therefore, I told my members that it can drop more down to complete this final leg with Bitcoin pair, by the way. And then we can expect the next pump. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved more down, and after the completion of this final leg, the price line started the next reversal move to the upside. And this was the move. You can see how the price line moved down, and then we had a very big pump. That was, by the way, more than 88% pump. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal move. That was another Gartley pattern. That not the Gartley, that was the bad move that RNDR token was completing. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down for the completion of this leg. This pattern was formed with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see within few moments you will be able to watch this move, how the price line moved down, completed this final leg, and started the next reversal move from this buying zone. And this is how it started this reversal move. By the way, it completed the leg here. You can see it moved sideways here, and then it dropped down, entered the buying zone. Then it started the next reversal move. And by the way, this next move was almost 40%. Now let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and this is the down channel that we have been following for the past several months. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but we got rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. And now you can see on the weekly time frame chart, the price line is breaking out this 85 cents resistance. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we have completely broken out this resistance. And if we watch this smaller time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart, then this was the rising wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video, and we were testing this support of the wedge and this support of 85 cents as well on the 4-hour time frame chart. And now you can see that we have another bounce from these two supports. On the 4-hour time frame chart, by the way, we previously broke out this resistance. We were having some accumulation, but on the daily time frame chart and on the weekly time frame chart, this breakout was not confirmed. Now if we watch this move, you can see it has again reached the resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Now for example, if the price line breaks down the support, then it can again drop down at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 40 to 41 cents, very down from here. Before that, we have a lot of support here at 53 to 54 cents as well. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this wedge, then our next move, the imminent move to the upside, can be approximately at $1.57. And if the price line rallies to $1.57, then it will be very close to hit the next resistance of $2 as well. In my point of view, there will be a very high probability that after breaking out this wedge, the price line may also make another attempt to break out this $2 long-term resistance. And if we watch the final target for this breakout from this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $6.5, we have a lot of resistance. However, the technical target can be up to here at the top of the channel, that is up to $8. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.